Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2023 Lexus IS 350? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box protects essential systems like the engine, cooling, lighting, and safety features. It is housed in a durable plastic enclosure with a labeled cover for easy identification of fuses and relays. The box contains high amperage fuses for major components and standard blade fuses for smaller circuits. It helps prevent electrical failures by cutting power in case of overloads or short circuits. Designed for durability, it offers protection against heat, moisture, and debris. Interior fuse panel. The interior fuse panel protects various cabin electrical components, such as the infotainment system, climate control, and power accessories. It is housed under the dashboard with a labeled cover for easy fuse identification. The panel contains low amperage blade fuses designed to safeguard interior electrical circuits. It helps prevent system failures by cutting power in case of overloads or short circuits. Designed for reliability, it ensures smooth operation of the vehicle's interior electronic features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.